with Ty. We're talking about IIoT World Days. So why don't you give us an overview of what your presentation is going to be about?
So I think maybe more important than ever is this concept of having access to data, industrial Internet of Things data from my kind of customer, which is generally in the energy or gas distribution area, and how we can leverage machine learning from an engineering perspective or operations perspective to look at that data from doing analysis almost in real time to really elevate the insight that we get from our industrial Internet of Things data. So that's kind of the core of my business, which is cognitive, and I think is the core of this particular presentation.
Well, we look forward to host you, and stay tuned as we learn about AI and machine learning in energy.
Thank you very much.